Hello and welcome to the new episode of 1 Minute Gyan. In today's video, you will learn how to add text to video for free. Now let's get started with the video. You need to go to the website ribbit.com. Once you go to the Ribbit website, you need to click Start Editing, and once you click Start Editing, you will get a blank canvas option. Just click on that and choose the square option and keep the background as transparent. You will get the option of Add Text here. Once I type the text, click the Save button. And once I click the save button, I need to save it as a PNG format. So once I save the image, I go to my movie maker and click the image. I place the image just over the video file. As my software is iMovies, I will choose picture in picture options, and once it's done, your text is now added to the video. Thanks for watching, and let's target 100 likes on this video.